Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. Well, today I'll be preparing jackfruit seeds. So we start by peeling off the top skin, just like you're seeing. So in our saucepan, I'll go ahead and add water. And then here too, I'll also put some water just for washing. I'll go ahead and cover and let it cook for about 30 minutes. Our seeds will be ready. So after 30 minutes, our seeds have become tender. So I'll go ahead and take them off the fire. So our jackfruit seeds are big, and eating them like this is a little inconveniencing. So I'll just go ahead and cut them into small pieces like that. So at this stage, I'll go ahead and put back our jackfruit seeds. Then lastly, I'll mix some Royco in water and then pour it in. At this stage, I'll just go ahead and cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and our sauce will be ready. Finally, our sauce is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.